Welcome to LKRR Prince CBSE English School. Dear student, we started syllabus of 9th standard CBSE. In CBSE, chemistry syllabus we already started, and in chemistry syllabus, second chapter we already started. The name of chapter is matter around a sphere. This is the second chapter of chemistry part. In that part, we already studied that is the first concept, chemical classification of matter. In last class, we know that matter is divided into the two parts we already studied. One, it is the pure substance, and second one, it is called as the mixture. This concept we already studied. Again, this pure substance, we know that it is classified into the two types. One, it is called as the element, and second one, it is called as the compound. Now, actually, in last class, that pure substance definition we completed. Then, definition of element is again completed. We know that is the term element. It is firstly used by the Robert Boyle, scientist, and the term element it is defined by the scientist that is the Louis Strauss. As per his definition, we know that element it is the simplest form of the substance or simpler form of the substance which cannot be separated or cannot be split into two or more form. It is simply called as the element. That definition we already completed in last class. Now, in today's class, we will study classification of element. We know that element it is classified into the basically three types. One is called as the metal, second one is the non-metal, and third one is the metalloid. Means we can simply divide it. One it is the metal, second one type of element it is called as the non-metal, and third one concept or third one type of element it is called as the semi-metal. Or we can also use another word for a semi-metal, it is called as the metalloids. So now we have to study definition of metal, its property, its example. The definition of non-metal, its property, its example. Definition of semi-metal. These three concepts we have to study here. So first we will study that is the concept of the metal. In modern periodic table, we know that it is classified into the three categories: metal, non-metal, and metalloids. So we know that is the arrangement of the periodic table. So this type of the arrangement of that modern periodic table, I drawn here a rub for this. So in modern periodic table, this is the simple representation of modern periodic table. In this modern periodic table, this is the S block element. So this is called as the P block element. Middle of the periodic table, it is called as the D block element, and bottom of the periodic table, it is called as the F block element. In this arrangement, we know that is in modern periodic table, there are 18 groups are present and 7 periods are present in the modern periodic table. So it is the left side of the modern periodic table and see the right side of the modern periodic table. In this modern periodic table, the elements are present in the left side is always metal, Here, the first group it is called as the alkali metal. Second one group of the modern periodic table it is called as the alkaline earth metal. Then in D block, that is the transition element is there, 3D series is there, 4D series is there, like that series are present in the D block. And here on the P side of the modern periodic table, non-metals as well as the metalloids element is there, or it is again called as the semi-metal or metalloids. And in a bottom of periodic table, that is the lanthanide and actinide series is there. That detailed study of modern periodic table we will study in 10th standard, that is the periodic classification of element in that chapter. So now, first one, we will define a definition of the metal. The simple definition of the metal, that is the element which form positive charge. The positive charge it is formed due to losing of electron. Means the positive, the metal form positive charge due to lose of electron. This is the simple definition of the metal. Means basically on metal, that is the positive charge is present. Or metal, like this positive charge is because of the loss of electron. We are having so many examples. Like the first group, it is called as the alkali metal, except the hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom is the alkali metal, that is the hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. This is the alkali metal group. Hali, Naka, Rabse, Paryal. This is the tricks. Hali, Naka, Rabse, Paryal. It is the simple tricks related to alkali metal. So this hydrogen, it is the non-metal. So this lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and calcium, it is the metal, and this metal having the positive charge. Which charge is there? Positive charge. So this positive charge, because of the loss of electron, and high element lose electron, we know that to get the stable electronic configuration, each element try to lose the electron. Like we also want to get stable for our requirement. So like that same position, or the element is also want to get the stable by losing or by gaining the electron. Like we will study simple one example, lithium. Lithium, we know that it is the atomic number 3 and electronic configuration of the lithium as per the KLMN, that is the 2,1 is the electronic configuration. And we know that in modern periodic table, all the noble gaseous elements are the stable. Like we know that helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are the noble gaseous elements in the modern periodic table. These all elements, it is always stable. So we are in the tricks Hema, Neelam or Karina Cinema ki Rani. This is the simple tricks. Atomic number of helium is the 2. Atomic number of neon is the 10. Atomic number of argon is the 18. Atomic number of krypton is the 36. Atomic number of xenon is the 54. Atomic number of radon is the 86. electronic configuration is the 2. Electronic configuration is the 2, 8. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 8 like this. We know that K capacity it is the 2, L capacity it is the 8, M capacity is the 18, and N capacity is the 32. So this requirement it is the completely filled. So that's why these elements having the stable electronic configuration. Now lithium it is the nearest to the helium atom. Which atom? Helium atom. An atomic number of helium it is the 2. To get the same electronic configuration, that lithium lose one electron, and when it lose the one electron, then that is the 2 electron become remaining. How much electron become remaining? 2 electron become remaining, and when element lose one electron, then in a chemistry it is represented as the positive charge. It is totally opposite to the mathematics. So it lose then positive charge. In mathematics, when we got the profit, then we will use the positive charge. When we get the loss, then we use the negative charge. But in chemistry, when it lose, then use the positive charge. And when it is gain, then it is used, that is the negative charge. So lithium it is the positive charge because it loses the one electron, it is the stable. Again we are having the second one example, that is the sodium. Atomic number of sodium it is the 11. It is the atomic number of sodium. Electronic configuration of sodium it is the 2, 8, 1. It is the electronic configuration of the second one alkali metal element, it is the sodium. Now this sodium it is also lose the electron to get the stable electronic configuration. And if you observe here sodium, and nearest noble gaseous element is, which is the nearest? That is the neon is the nearest. So it lose the one electron. How much electron it will become lose? One electron it will become lose, and when it lose the one electron, then a positive charge is formed, and its electronic configuration become 2, 8. So that's why positive charge. Similar for potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. You understand up to this part? Now we also having the another example related to the metal, like the alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal. So we know that second group element we simply represented. One ticks is there, beta, mange, car, scooter, and bap, Raji. It is the Hindi tricks related to the second group, beta, mange, car, scooter, bap, Raji, or we can also use the Roe. You know that number of bap is always Roe. So that's why Raji or Roe word we can use. So we having that beta means the barium. So this is the magnesium, Mg. It is the calcium, strontium. So this is the barium, and this is the radium. So these are the second group element. It is the alkaline earth metal, and this alkaline earth metal
it is also having the positive charge. Now here if you observe one positive charge is there, so we will check which positive charge is there. Positive charge, it may be 1, it may be 2, sometimes 3, like that. So in case of the barium, atomic number of barium, this is the 4, it is atomic number of barium. Now electronic configuration in the form of Kf, it is the 2, 2 is the electronic configuration. You know that already. Noble gases helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Atomic number 2, 10, it is 18, 36 and 54 and 86. It is the atomic number of the noble gases. This barium is the nearest to the helium, if you observe. How much electron it will become loose to get the electronic configuration like the helium? 2 electron from the L, then it forms only Be dipositive charge. So it having the Be dipositive. You can use Be dipositive. Some teacher also use this. It is also actual. So also we having the second example, magnesium. Now this magnesium, atomic number of magnesium is the 12, electronic configuration of the magnesium is the 2, 8, 2 is the electronic configuration. It is the nearest to the which noble gas element, that is the D1. How much electron it will become loose? 2 electron. When it lose the 2 electron, then it form the Mg dipositive. So 2, 8. So that's why it is also Mg dipositive. Means same condition or same you can use for the calcium, plutonium, barium, radium. Again, so many examples we are having. That is the, if you observe one group, we know that this is the Bal, Gangadhar, Tilak. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, that titanium. So in this, that aluminium, it is the metal. This aluminium, atomic number of aluminium is the 13. Electronic configuration 2F3. How much electron it will lose to get the stable electronic configuration? 3. So that's why it having the Al tripositive charge. So many example: copper dipositive charge, iron. Also we having the another example: gold, silver. So many examples we have been related to the parts of the metal. Is we simply study here, that is the definition of metal and example of the metal. In second class, third part, we will study that is the properties of metal as well as its detail again.